Hello, my name is Zoila. In this case, I will speak about the class number 7. Uh, say, what is so important for us to make conscience about the importance of nature? So, because it's part of us. If we continue damaging the way we have been doing it, everything will disappear, especially water and some important animals, as is happening now. If, if it's so easy and so important, why doesn't everybody do it? Because most of them are not thinking on the problems are coming in so more years after we finish completely the animals and with almost one layers. How can we take care of it? Not killing our animal, stopping cutting street, not burning tracks, recycling more, not polluting our waters, etc. So we can um, do um, something that damage the natures. So the street, the water, the animals. We need to protect the planet. Um, so this was topic about. See.